Hello, in today's video, we'll be going over how to manage your balances from the Runa platform. From the left-hand menu, select Billing and Finance, and then Balances, and you'll be brought to the screen that you see here. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see a button that says Add Funds. When you click on this button, you'll be brought to your home currency and being able to top up. Should you need to change currencies, simply select Edit, select which currency you'd like to top up in, and then move through these forward motions. We have 3 easy ways to top up your balances within your Runa account. The first being a bank transfer. Typically, it will take 0 to 3 business days to see funds in your account via bank transfer, but there are no fees associated with topping up via bank transfer. The second way is through credit card top up. Credit card top ups are instant. You will see the 3 to 3.8% credit card processing fee associated with each top up. The third way is through our internal FX called Runa FX. This also is instant, where you can select a currency that you currently have funds in, how much you would like to transfer, or how much you would like to convert, excuse me, and then which currency you would like to convert those funds into. We have 2 ways of holding balances within your Runa account. The first is what you see here today, where you can hold multiple balances in multiple different currencies. Should you choose to have one home currency of, let's say, pounds, and want to only top up in pounds, you can use what we call embedded FX, which is our internal FX via API that will automatically convert currency on each order created. These were the 3 easy ways on how to top up your balances. You also have the capability to set balance notifications so that if your balance gets below a comfortable threshold, an email can be sent out to a team and/or team member to notify them to top up their account. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much.